Understanding fitness trackers.
Fitness trackers are wearable devices that monitor your daily activities, such as steps taken, heart rate, and sleep patterns. By collecting real-time data about your movement and habits, they provide valuable insights into your overall health. With this information at your fingertips, you can make informed choices about your workouts and daily routine, helping build a foundation for setting realistic fitness goals.
Setting smart goals with your tracker.
Fitness trackers help you establish SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of vague aims like exercise more, you can set concrete targets, such as walking 8,000 steps a day for a month. The device's measurements ensure your goals are trackable and progress is easy to see, making it simpler to stay motivated and adjust your targets as needed.
Tracking progress and staying accountable.
Wearable trackers keep a detailed record of your progress, showing trends over days, weeks, or months. Many devices offer reminders, badges, and daily streaks to encourage consistency. Seeing your activity levels and improvements can boost accountability, as you're less likely to skip a workout when you know your tracker is monitoring your daily movement.
Customizing workouts for better results.
Your tracker can suggest tailored workouts based on your fitness data. It might recommend increasing intensity, switching routines, or adjusting rest periods to match your goals. Many devices also monitor heart rate during exercise, ensuring you stay within optimal training zones. Personalized feedback helps you maximize results and reduce the risk of burnout or overtraining.
Celebrating achievements and staying motivated.
Many fitness trackers include features to celebrate milestones, such as step goals or active minutes reached. Recognizing these achievements provides positive reinforcement, making it easier to stay on track over time. Sharing results with friends or joining challenges through the tracker's app can also add motivation and make reaching your health goals more enjoyable.